Yes, I will tell you, Naresh, don't worry. Okay, now listen carefully. Guys, please tell me, if a regular polygon, if a regular polygon has 12 sides, then find. Yes, Sai Krishna, I will tell you. Then find number 1, sum of all interior angle. Number 2, each interior angle. Yes, guys, you can also comment in the comment box. Number 3, sum of all exterior angles. Number 4, each exterior angle. Number 5, total number of diagonals. Total number of diagonals. Yes, guys. Please try to solve this question and give the answer in the comment box. I am waiting for your great responses. Yes, guys, please try to solve this question and give the answer in the comment box. I am waiting for your responses. Yes, very good, Kasani Saidulu. Sum of all interior angles is always n minus 2 into 180, that is 1800 degree. Sum of all each interior angle is n minus 2 into 180 divided by 12. This will go by 15 and this will be 150 degree. Okay. Sum of all exterior angle is always 360 degree. Sum of all each exterior angle is what? 360 by 12, that is 30 degree. And number of diagonal n minus 3 divided by 2. This is 6 into 9. This is 54. So there were 54 diagonals. Alright, is it clear to all of you? If you have number of sides, then you can easily find all these. There is no any problem. Yes, write in the comment box. If you are finding if you are having if you are having the number of sides, okay, if you are having the number of sides, then you can easily find all these. There is no any problem. Yes, Naresh, I did it. Is this clear to all of you? Now listen carefully. Similarly, if you are having the sum of all interior angles, you can easily find the number of sides. Yes, Naresh, please try to understand. If sum of all interior angles is 1800 degree. Sum of all interior angles of a regular polygon is 1800, then find number of sides. Okay, so you all know the sum of all interior angle is n minus 2 into 180, and this is equal to 1800 in this question. So this will cancel out with this. N minus 2 is equal to 10, so n is equal to 12. So the number of side is 12. I hope this is clear to all of you. Yes or no? Okay. So you can easily find the number of sides also if you are having the sum of all interior angles. There is no any problem. Okay. Now let's move to the question. Yes, guys, please try to solve this question and give the answer in the comment box. Yes, guys, please try to solve this question and give the answer in the comment box. if a regular polygon has 12 sides, calculate the measure of each interangles. So each interangle is n minus 2 into 180 divided by n. This should be 12 minus 2 into 180 divided by 12. This is 15, then this will be 150 degree. All right. Let's move to the next question. Yes, guys, please try to solve this question. An interior angle of a regular polygon is 9 times its exterior angle. Calculate the number of sides of the polygon. Yes, guys, please try to solve this question and give the answer in the comment box. I'm waiting for your great responses. Okay, guys, in this question we have been given that interior angle of a regular polygon. Okay, interior angle of a regular polygon is this. Is 9 times the exterior angle. Calculate the number of sides of the polygon. Okay, this will cancel out with this. 18 2s are. So n minus 2 is equal to 18. So n should be 20. 20 is the right answer. Is this clear to all of you? Now let's move to the next question. Yes, guys, please tell me the answer of this question. Which of the following cannot be the exterior angle of the regular polygon? Which of the following cannot be the exterior angle of the polygon? Yes, guys. A, B, C, D. Yes, Naresh. As you all know, exterior angle of a polygon is 360 by n, and then n is equal to 360 by exterior angle. All right. So, and n is what? N is number of sides, and number of sides must be a integer. So, if you are taking 90 degree, then n will be 360 by 90. For if you are taking 60 degree, n will be 6. If you are taking 45 degree, n will be what? 8. Yes, Naresh. And if you are taking 75 degree, 75 cannot be an integer. So 75 degree cannot be the exterior angle of the regular polygon. Okay, is it clear to all of you? Write in the comment box, yes sir. Yes, is it okay to all of you? So 75 degree cannot be the exterior angle. Now let's move to the next question. Which of the following cannot be the interior angle of the polygon? Interior angle of the polygon. Yes, guys, please tell me which of the following is cannot be the interior angle of the polygon. Yes, guys, please tell me. All right. So guys, listen carefully. If you are asked to find which of the following cannot be the interior angle, so do this question by the exterior angle. This will become easier. If this is interior angles, and then exterior angle must be, if this is 90, then this will be 90. This is 120, this will be 60. This is 45. This is 75. as the previous question, in this previous question, 75 cannot be the exterior angle of the polygon, then you can say 105 degree cannot be the interior angle of the regular polygon. Is it okay? Okay, Ramkrishna, there is only these two type of questions. One is this and one is this. Okay, Ramkrishna. And for better clarity, you can also watch the recorded session also. Okay, Ramkrishna. Yes, guys, please try to solve this question and give the answer in the comment box. Okay, listen carefully. If the ratio of number of sides of two regular polygon is 1:2, let number of side of first polygon is x and number of side of second polygon is 2x. If the interior angle of first polygon is, if each interior angle of a first interior angle of first polygon is 150 degree, then find the interior angle of the second polygon. All right, now listen carefully. You all know the interior angle is what? N minus 2 into 180 divided by n. This should be 150 degree. Okay. Now, here we have the number of side is x. So, we put it here x. (6x minus 12) is equal to 5x. X is equal to 12. So, number of side of first polygon and second polygon is 12 and 24. As we have number of side of second polygon is 24, then each interior angle is equal to n minus 2 into 180 divided by n. All right. So this is 2, this is 15, this is 22 divided by 2, that is 11 into 5. This is what? 11 5 is 55, 165 is the right answer. Is this clear to all of you? Yes or no? Write in the comment box. Yes, is this clear to all of you? Write in the comment box. Okay, so guys, this is all about lines and angles. This is all about lines and angles and polygons. Okay, so one question will be asked from this, one question will be asked from this. So these two subtopics are very small topic and easy topic. Now you can go for the quizzes also. Please try to solve the quiz. If you face any difficulty, pin me in the doubt section. I will definitely reply on that comment. Okay. Yes guys, now lines and angles and polygons is done. Sai Krishna, actually this batch is especially for RRB NTPC. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this today's session, and this is the geometry part number 1, and in this section I have discussed lines and angles and polygons. So we will meet in the next class with geometry part number 2, that is triangles. All right, so we'll meet tomorrow in the next class.